going on, guys? I'm about to put these tiles back in. Remember, we marked them. I've already started with the last one here. Make it easy on me. Hopefully I look good for you guys. So always the last one that I take out, I put in. So I took this side out first, took this side out last. I'll put this side in first, put this side in last. I don't know why, it just works for me. You guys are gonna have to come up with your own. Frenchy roofer can't sit there fucking holding your hand. This tile's gonna be caught by this side, so it's okay if it slips out just that fucking tad little bit. No big damn deal. Make sure you're putting these little cut pieces back in place, man. How many times I've come and they're just missing, and that's the cause of the debris getting in. Do your fucking job. Always make sure you're looking at the numbers. Right now I'm just trying to go fast. Got about 2-3 more repairs today that I need to get to, and filming this one is just making me take a little bit longer than expected. But tremendous repair in this little area. There's just so many things going on. You just gotta be aware of. Make sure you're doing everything correctly. Don't worry, I'm gonna blow this valley back out before I get that last piece in. Get that side in. Just be aware of all your cut pieces. Make sure you're putting them back in. You don't want to be that guy. Trust me, I've been that guy before. Don't want to be him.